Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Vscode. First, open the Supabase website in your browser and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once logged in, click on the dashboard from the top right corner to see all your organizations and projects. Next, select your organization, and then click on the project you want to connect to Vscode. At the top of your project page, click on Connect, and then go to API keys. Here, you will see your anon public key and other keys. Copy the key you need because this will be used in Link Supabase with Vscode. Now open Vscode on your computer. On the left sidebar, click on the extensions icon to open the marketplace. In the search bar, type Supabase and you'll see the official Supabase extension in the results. Click on it, then click Install to add it to your editor. After the installation is complete, click Trust Publisher to ensure the extension works properly. Once the extension is installed, you can open your project folder in Vscode and use the Supabase extension to connect your project. This allows you to manage your database, run queries, and interact with your Supabase project directly from Vscode without going back to the website. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.